Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the Pucky Puppy customer service experience we had with zero customer service. I'll tell you guys the story and you let me know, how would you rank them 1 through 5? I'm not going to tell you, but stick around to the end of the video because I think you're going to find some of this stuff very interesting. It's going to be something you're going to want to know, especially if you're looking at a Pucky Puppy e-bike. So let's get to the video. I think in order to be fair, we need to kind of set the stage and let you know that I don't care. Anything mechanical has the propensity to break, malfunction, something like that. And one of the things that you're not seeing in a lot of the review videos is how was the customer service, especially after the sale. Mine's going to be a little bit different today because I'm going to tell you I actually sent them an email. I had a couple of questions prior to the sale that did not get answered until after the sale. So you can deal with that what you want, but at very least it was interesting, and I'll let you guys decide. Okay, so you guys, if you've been watching and following along, you know that we've had a little bit of noise coming from the front end of this bike, and pretty much I'd narrowed it down to it's going to be the star nut and a couple of other small issues. I sent them a detailed email, and I'd say probably the next day I got an email back, and they said, hey, thank you for the detailed email, and the customer service rep, Zero, said he would like a couple of videos so that they could better understand the issue. No problem. Well, that took me a couple of days to actually pull off of another job, edit out the video, and send it to them. I would say it was within the next 24 hours of me emailing him back with the videos, I got a reply back, and they're sending me replacement parts to fix the front end on this bike, as well as a bracket for this, what I always refer to as the Pixar headlamp that comes with this, because it's a neat little headlamp. You're going to hear a lot of people complaining about the headlamp, saying it's not very bright. And I'm going to tell you from a hunter's perspective, the thing's actually bright enough for what I would want, because I don't want every buck in the county or deer in the county or hog in the county to see me coming. I don't need it lighting up a road like you would in a vehicle that you're driving 60, 70 miles an hour. But for slow rolling and the type of riding I like to do, the light's actually adequate. My complaint was the Pixar style mount. So long story short, the complaint was about the front end. They're sending me new parts to fix the front end. I think they went above and beyond on the parts that they're actually sending. It could have been repaired much cheaper, in my opinion. I think with them considering the overall safety and well-being of the rider and the bike, they went ahead and doubled down and sent way more than is needed. And then they also evidently have come up with a different bracket mounting system for the headlamp that comes on this bike, and they're supposed to be sending me a new one of them as well. Customer service agent's name is Zero. I said he earlier. I don't know if that's a boy or a girl. It doesn't really matter. But comment down below. Let us know, what do you think Zero's rating should be for customer service? I think it was a very fair, and in my opinion it went above and beyond. Can you guys see that skunk over there? This is how stealthy these bikes are. I mean, he don't even see us, and if he does, he ain't paying us no attention. Anyhow, I'm not going to rate them. I'll let you guys rate them. We're not going to drive up any closer. That skunk's about 15-20 yards away from us, and let him eat grubs or whatever it is he's eating in peace. Anyways, guys, we appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Comment down below, how do you think Zero did? Hope you all have a blessed week, and let's get outside and make something happen.